Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to run through an easy way for you to swap out your Apex fork and swing arm protectors into our new Apex Cotton Reels, making it easy from highest level protection through to convenient maintenance setup for your workshop. So why use Apex Cotton Reels? On some bikes like the Ducati Scrambler here behind me, there is no existing mount for a standard cotton reel fixing. So in this instance, the Apex Cotton Reel provides a secure lifting point for you to use paddock stands for easy maintenance of your motorcycle. Swapping the Apex bobbins takes just a few minutes. This is a simple, easy way for you to use your paddock stands that exist in your garage already, I'm sure, for both front and rear of the motorcycle for maintenance made easy. If you haven't already watched our Apex fork and swing arm protector installation video, you can see it here in the top right hand corner. I'm imagining you're wondering how to install these things. They're pretty quick and easy. Just take two 5mm Allen keys, place one on each side of the barrel nuts, hold one 5mm Allen key in place and turn the other counterclockwise. Once the first barrel nut is off, remove the Apex bobbin and spacer and put them in a safe place. Remove the bar that holds the other Apex bobbin and spacer together. Then remove the Apex bobbin and spacer from the bar while replacing them with the Apex Cotton Reel. Reinstall the spacer. Insert this side into the fork or swing arm wheel axle. Then install the second spacer, followed by the Apex Cotton Reel. Finger tighten the barrel nut, then use two 5mm Allen keys again to secure one side while tightening the other clockwise. Make sure both barrel nuts are fully tightened. Once these are fitted in and tightened up correctly, they are ready to use straight away with a workshop paddock stand providing a secure and stable point for maintenance and storage. The R&G APEX Cotton Reels are sold separately on the website in pairs if you want to buy this to make an addition to your existing Apex protection kit. These are sold separately and they also come for a small additional fee using the drop-down menu on our website. Here are your standard Apex protection, and on this side is your cotton reel protection. And that's it. It's a simple upgrade, reduces hassle, and makes maintenance on your bike really, really easy. If you're looking for one of these for your motorcycle, please head over to www.rg-racing.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.